Kubor nakaslem jong unong san hima.
Unong aiktien kador bashnong mausen ram uba hiamdor rapsang. Ulaban biang sasisien pat bakador bashnong kalakang persya ya kejing mani blay jong ki weipat ki jatniam hakrem mau jembun bat kejing bamyahap bani kren biang halor kate kapang. Ya kani uba hiamdor ulakren syakilat patai kubor menta kasngi kalai tarik ukelalingkot arhajar arpausan hadian ke jingelang balakot daga DC ke East Khasi Hills ke kong RM Kurba banyak keren halor ke krem mau jembun. Ke DC jong ke East Khasi Hills kalakot ya ke jingelang banyak tai sani bah halor ke mat hakabaya day bat ke krem mau jembun hakaba ke jingtmu kalong ban penbet ya ke jingakan an. Hakani ke sngi kinong yawan shimbenta ki kentup yo Superintendent of Police ke East Khasi Hills, Chief Engineer PWD Roads, ke Dwarbash nong Mausen Ram, Kakinhun na Assam Kakutum Suraksha Parishad, Additional Deputy Commissioner in Charge Municipal East Khasi Hills, Divisional Forest Officer East Khasi Hills, kihe officer katnat jngok kai perthai bat kiwe de. Karai kabalami na katay ka jingelang kaday ka jingmanjur bandan da Standard Operating Procedure lani kikendon na kabenta bandet jngok ya ka krem. Unong yalam ka KSP uhoito Ranjan Bora habakren shikilat pathai khubor. Uloong baginong wan jungok kaya ka krem, kinamla bantang dhup, sintiw, lani penlong ya kanu ka jingiliat niam. Ubura uloong baka jingelang kalong ka basayso, hakaba ka de ka sienjam, banyat siya kamat banyaman jurlang, halor ka SOP, ban penbet ya ka jingakan at hapreng ki armamla. Nakaliang uba hiamdor ubade unong ay katien ka sinong mausen ram, uloong ru, bakan omdon syu kanu ka jingakren, ban ailat ban penong ya ka jingmani blay hakrem mau jembun. Uba hiamdor laban ru, baka dor bar sinong, kan mana ya kinong wan jingok kai, lada ki but ya ki kendon jong ka sinong, ki bagan top ya ka jingbam day ban tang ya ki dhup, lani ban penong ya kinu ka jingamani blay.
Hadien ba nakaliang nilayo asiti nakaliang jong ka sinong, ban wan siya ka meeting ya kabalakot day DC mo hang tu. Di ha ka banengkong nilayo i ha ka tukan notice jong DC bai khot lang ya kani ka kenhun na po Assam rubani don lang ha kani ka meeting. Ha ka banengkong na kaliang jongi mas nyu i ba kani ka kenhun kan don lang ha kani ka meeting. Nilaswan mi syani menta kasngi ba nginum don benda banesyong ha kani ka meeting. Ha kani ka meeting. Balai ba kita ki banabar nadu Assam bakin wan tuklar interfere ya kata kami yang jongi hang ni kata kadi kanong rem bagiwan hang ni nengkong nilamut kumta tenrein tale kran badi DC ilek DC na kaliang jongi ila karpa bahkan numpoi sya kata bagi detertin yeki ngi sukwa ban sengap yo bagi sukwa ban sengap ke ka bagi don ban ong hang ni marhamat bagi minta tin ha ka jingi kran jongi hang tai ni na kaliang jong ka dor basnong ni ong ba nginom kan randien tang kandiat ru ya katakan nong rem ka jongi ka bangila juyeng barsi kata baka ba number 1 bangidei kita kitrai jong ketika krem mo jemboy haba ong kitrai kamut ngila banrai ngila kanu karai ka bagi syep hakatei ka cakala jong mo ti bat ka baar kalong be bakatei ka krem mo jemboy ka dei bet ka tourist spot nginum entertain yano ban ang ban pan permission ban one money play ketika cakah mo kata ka nong rem ka jongi nado ka basta ya ki tourist lani yano kila banwan na kalenggari India barway banwan hakate ka jaka tang ba ka ka badon kam kalong bakin subut be tang ye kitiki kendon ki baka snong ka bu tang ka talab ya kam don kanu ka jingkhang ya kinu ki jinget ya yano yo Hindu Muslim Christian yano kam don kum kata nai one as tourist henry boot be tang ye kitiki SOP ki baka snong kala bu patla display ru ka signboard mas jarung apa okrem pinyu i kita ki berkhad mo te kai ka bami na ka jinga kran hang ni hang tai uni u khar KSP ka tu ka seng na po Assam undau lapan i ki ba udon kam pen i hang tai kadai ki berkhad ka ba ula sya ya lambak lah ulai sya ya lambaka namar ba ong bahana bakadon kata ka jingkhang ban wan hapo okrem mau jum boy Rengi ngethu baka kremo jumpoin kapli baro lais pa nru phosan si kamdon kanu ke jingkhang mo kamdon kanu ke jingkhang ya kati ke caka banwan tang bagim sya ban convert ya ka sya ke caka mane belai lada P1 shudem shule ite jese ba pi mane mono ban khang ya kata nei maintain ya kati ka silent ha kati po ketika krem mo bot ya kiti ki kendon ki baka ai ki yu kesno te hadian kata na kaliang jong u Ke ka bu tho ya kata ka shithi bu tho sha ka sarkar address show chief minister kadi kata ka shithi ka bu ong ba ni don ni kita ki hok kum ta ter jogi ni kita ki fundamental rights jong u pat unda ula yu ya kata ka ya kita ki SOP ki jong hiru ki hap kum ju hi ni ong bagim sim khang te ma nim sim khang ye no inoru banwan re tang ban pen kala ya kata ki jagan nambalai te ke ka bau ya berthen bersekata kum to sathe ban khang gi te ki kali bi ki kita kadi tang ga jing sha bau sha mislet tani usha ya lambakla haki wei pat ki katu kat ne ki briu ki ba perkhat tang ya kajing mentoh simet ke joki chetu ipi hang ne wanra bat kani ke kopi kata ke MOU jong kata ka seng khasi himamu senda ndai wanra da kata ke seng khasi himamu sam kata ke MOU ngamti buyo kopi na e kata ke MOU mo daun lawra hang tei ulah pen i hang tei pat hang ta la pen sai seu papila saya lam bakla nomor kata ka seng khasi himamu sram kam dei ke ndai ka dei ke basu chumi tangkum kitiki seng ban pun lenti lane ban kamai lane na ban yo jing matoi simet na jing kim kensho ya kaya ke jong ka jai ban re kim kensho ya kata ke jing long try ka jugi tin na kalyang jung EDC rilapan i sha kitu ki KSP ya kata ka shithi ka bala tho da ka seng khasi kimi mokhar bakim itu ya kata ka seng khasi hima musnda pat na kata kadau hadian bal keren ni bon ki hang tai ki kila syai baka dei tang kajing syai alam bakla bangi ong yu la da mekwa banwan mujumpun melak ban lej mentan men lej la sai ro lej tang ba put be ki kendon jongka snong bagabu tang kata ki banon oi ki berkhoi kadai kajing syai alam bakla bar si kata na kaliang gedor snong ni yang be kata ju hi kanong rem ba hinum sya bat berkala cakamane balai yang dik krem mujumpun syak mo
Keren bat itu mentan apa kan resume yang kecil mana play
udang pen kelumar sada kumtane kani kajing elang ngabailong apo mentah apo disi kanum poison dulu
kata uang katkum kajing keren apa kadang kajing ya lang
kajing keren hang tei haga ba penkot kalong ba katai ke keren majumbon kan long ba ku baju lo om sha ban mane belai ite om sha ban mane belai om sha ban le ki puja mla ban le ki religious activities hang tei mo ngrei p1 pidai na kanu ka kan hunjinget wan tang ba subut baik iki kendon di bagas nong kala bo mo phimla batang dhop phimla ban bread sentil phinumla ban thedot phinumle ki phinumla kanu no bagi kita ban pedi ba ketika kerja juga kerja kami boleh mo
dah kan ko mu angkat ba kadon kajing ya lang preng jong kita kajing ya keren mentah na bakan resume yang kajing ya mana
ni lapan sai seu risung kamut ba baru katangi khang gabut mentah ha kajing wan joki kamut bagin pelino bagin kongo iki bun pendam kata kadika bakla na kalyang jongu
uang bakam dan hi kaban uang bakam dan hi kajing khang
ban ni ke
ya kata kajing mana play
kaban kadon ni kajing mana belai ban kadon pin pete lada pin sakhi yang tai kitiki signboard ngim pachum pen kelam kidang ne kumjo ngim pachum khang kata kajing omo kam banong bangi laweng kata kajing mana belai Yam dua rapsang asisten rang basnong tingi don lang hang ni balas bon champion bedi rang basnong ba pencingan doling general secretary jongka dor basnong Paim Amos jongka sim jongka hima mosna iba odas pada kasih bedi estate member ba rang badong jongka mosram dogrum
ide
asisten rang basnong
kima mosram
this spokesperson jongka snong
Presented Kutumbo Suraksha Parishad, and we have 4 people here. A lot of people are there outside the meeting hall. So it was a nice meeting, and they said there is no ban on worshipping on the cave, Mohsin Ram cave Shivling, and it is open to everyone, open to all. But they have to follow some SOPs, and of course there should be some SOPs because the Mozumbin cave itself is a necessarily from its structure. And being a citizen of this India, we have the fundamental duties to protect the environment, forest and lake, etc. So we do have some suggestions. We offered our suggestion to them. And sensitive environmental spot, there should not be any kind of external like applications to apply to the places. And number two is that there should not be any kind of noise. Yes, that can also be understood, that can also be appreciated. And they said there is no any band, and they will go for special arrangement to the people in the month of Savan. They have accepted it. They will do it, and they also said that for 365 days, it is open to all, and they will keep on operating the cave for everyone. Everyone go inside the cave. They can offer their prayer there, and they can do anything, but no lights, no like smoke, no alcohol. Of course, there should not be any alcohol. Nah? So smoke means smoke from any like DI and all. That is okay. So we have submitted one letter addressing to the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, and we have distributed through the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills, and we have submitted this to all the stakeholders who are present in the meeting. And basically, what we have suggested to them, they said yes, they already put in those things in the SOPs. So I think the meeting was good, and let's see what happened. We are hope for the best, and we are here being a citizen of India. As per the Article 51 says, we are performing our constitutional duties, and right to worship, right to live, right to movement. Everyone has this fundamental right given by the Constitution of India. They have to respect, and they, of course, they're respecting all the fundamental duties, and they are doing their fundamental, expecting all the fundamental rights and doing their fundamental duties. So we're thankful to the Meghalayan government and looking forward to visit the Mosin Cave in coming days with all my friends. It is a nice. No, that is worship means, see, there is some misconfusion in the worship. What we are mean by worship is like to offer the prayer to the Almighty. It may be anyone. See, we are, like, we say it is Bhagavan, Ishwar, someone say it is Lord, someone say it is Allah, but end of the day, it is the one. So to offer the praise, nothing to do any kind of like diyas and agarbattis and all, but you have to go there, and they accept these things. I even I can go there, I can sit there, I can sit for 5 minutes, I can close my eyes, I can do offer my prayers there. This is the worship. No any kind of ritual. Ritual is not a core component. It is if any kind of ritual is required, that can be done outside the cave.
But
That they have accepted.
There is some
Are you
interpret.
satisfied?
See, as on date, I am satisfied what they said. They will that will be open. That will be open for 365 days, and they said there is no restrictions, there is no ban. They will do special arrangement for the Savan Mahina also, and everything will be done. So we hope for the best, and see, we have to give time to everyone also. So you cannot, Rome was not built in a day. This is our first handshake meeting, and there are a lot of opportunities will be coming in coming days. So let's see what will be done.
Your name?
Satyaranjan Bora, the president of Kutumbo Suraksha Parishad. Satyaranjan Bora.
Hoyto Ranjan Bhatt. Thank you.
Thank you.